Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Monday, March 7th, 2022, and I'm going to kick this week off with some US30 analysis and breakdown. I'm going to cover where we left off last week, and that is we were in some shorts on the US30, and I'm going out into the 30-minute time frame so you can see a little bit more of the price action play out on the longer term, and it did breach the support zone of 33,244, and we are looking to continue to take price down to the next target. When you step out to the 4-hour time frame, we can see the next target is actually going to be around 32,820, and then we're going to have target 3 at 32,287. So that's going to be the three targets for the shorter term. The longer term, we are looking to breach the lows of 32,276 and continue on down. And on the weekly, we're going to continue on to where I covered the support zone for the longer term in a couple videos ago last week. If you have not seen those videos, I highly recommend checking them out. It's 2 videos back from this one, and it was to cover the Fibonacci extension tool and also where we were to go at the end of the week. And now let's get into the intraday price action so we can see more of what to expect in the near future. When we're looking at the hour time frame, we can see that price is at a area of demand. One of two things that can happen right now. It can breach this area and continue to penetrate to the downside, or it could bounce off. Now I want to start this chart off with clean hygiene. So we're going to just clear everything up, and I'm going to just mark one Fibonacci tool going in the direction of my trend. So it's going to be a downtrend, and I'm just going to do it off of the 4-hour, and we can see that price is currently on its way down. As of right now, because of the average range of the pair, it's about time to take some profits. So I'm going to cover that in this video right now. So you see where my high is, the highest price that I entered in is around 33.9. I'm going to take profit today. And the reason why is it passed 32.7, and I was planning on taking profit around 32.7 for this trade. So I'm actually going to open up my balance right now, and I'm going to cover that right now on US30. So this is the current winner right here, the one for 32.7, and I'm going to close this out. So that trade is now officially closed out, and I've collected those profits. As we can see, it's reflected right here. This is the past week. We can see I took one loss and I took the rest of the wins, and I'm currently up 28,000 in this current week. This reflects the balance and the equity that's currently standing. This is a simple breakdown of US30. I did want to go over Bitcoin in this video, but because of time, it's been about 3 minutes, and I want to keep this video short. I'm going to split this segment up into 3 different videos. So that's going to be released throughout the week, but this is just to cover US30. I do suspect some sort of major black swan event to happen within the next week or two, sometime this month, because as we can see, it hit a major area of support. And this is a very long-term support. You can see from March 2021, it has been holding up that area of support, but it's been in a range since then. So what we do suspect price to do is, once this is penetrated, which is currently what it's doing this week, it's going to drive down. It's going to drive down a lot of points. And this is a big opportunity for sellers. So if you're looking for a bear market to enter right now, the US30 bear market is a very, very highly probable market right now. And one more thing I want to go over is the news, the fundamentals right now. We're looking at this week ahead. We can see it's currently Monday over here in Bangkok, Thailand. And this is my economic calendar. I don't see anything going on for a high impact volatile event for the US30, the United States dollar. And that's basically not happening. I mean, there's job openings on Wednesday, and on Thursday, there's CPI. This is just basic normal movement, but there's no major news event that's going to play into that catalyst that's going to create that drive to the downside. So what I'm suspecting is maybe some major war or something is going to happen We already have the Russia and Ukraine war going on, but maybe things are going to escalate. We already seen the prices of oil going on up because Russia has sanctions against it, and we're going to continue on the narrative. We're going to continue to watch, and as long as you are following along and staying safe and protecting your own assets and your own self and livelihood, you can just continue to watch the narrative with me and we'll be unaffected. But let's move on. Last thing I want to cover is the Master Traders Guild. If you are interested in learning, there's 3 options. There's a monthly option, there's a one-time payment, and then there's a book. So I would recommend those of you that want to learn how to trade and be funded while you're trading and have the greatest experience while doing that, you should do the funded Master Traders Guild. This is $500 a month. You trade with $30,000 in capital, and you have a possibility of employment and future benefits. Now, that is the $500 a month option. There is a $549 one-time payment. That's my standard academy course. That's my course that I've had for several years now. And those of you that's been with me since 2015, you can understand that the course is helpful. I'll have a Trustpilot and some reviews shortly, but this is the second option for those of you that might want to be on a budget but want to dive in sooner. So this is what I have going on right now, and simply you click on the buy now button and you'll be transferred to the page of purchase. So here we go, and it'll cover everything. It'll spend pretty much $500 a month, and you're trading off a $30,000 account with the possibility of withdrawal. So as long as you stay above 5%, you can withdraw. It's that easy. And once again, just go to mastertradersguild.com and you can check that out yourself. And if you have any questions, just send me a message and I will be glad to answer. All right, have a good week.